Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain our project title, Blockchain Based Invoice Discounting Platform for MSMEs. This platform allows small and medium enterprise to convert unpaid invoices into immediate working capital, while investors can securely purchase these invoices using blockchain technology. Let's start with the MSME dashboard. Here, an MSME can upload an invoice by entering invoice number, invoice amount, due date, buyer email, optional listed price, and the invoice PDF. Once uploaded, this data is stored off chain in Supabase, not on the blockchain. This avoids high gas costs and protects sensitive business data. Initially, the invoice status is sent to pending. At this stage, the buyer must acknowledge the invoice. The invoice cannot yet be sold to investors. This ensures that only verified invoices enter the marketplace. Once buyer acknowledge is complete, the MSME can list the invoice for sale. This is where blockchain interaction begins. When the MSME clicks list for sale, the invoice ID, the listed price, and the MSME's wallet address are sent to the invoice marketplace smart contract. Listing on chain does not mean uploading the full invoice to the blockchain. It only means registering the invoice ID, setting its price, locking ownership to the MSME's wallet. This creates a trustless tamper-proof record that investors can rely on. Supabase acts as the off-chain data layer. It stores invoice metadata, PDF document URLs, buyer acknowledgement status, application user profiles. Supabase never holds cryptocurrency or performs payments. It only synchronizes status updates after blockchain transactions are complete. Now, moving on to the investors dashboard. Investors see only invoices that are buyer acknowledged, not already sold, listed by MSMEs. This filtering ensures complete transparency and reduces fraud. Before purchasing, the investor must connect their MetaMask wallet. MetaMask identifies the investor, signs transaction, pays gas fees. No private keys are ever stored in our application. When an investor clicks Buy Invoice option, the app converts the listed price into vehicles. The smart contract's purchase invoice function sends ETH from the investor to the MSME. This transaction happens directly wallet to wallet without any intermediary. Smart contract enforces correct payment method. Invoice not already sold. Buyer cannot be the MSME itself. Once purchased, ownership is transferred. The invoice is permanently marked as sold. The transaction is recorded on blockchain. After a successful blockchain transaction, the transaction hash is saved in Supabase. Invoice status changed to sold. This keeps off-chain data synchronized with on-chain truth. The invoice marketplace smart contract handles listing invoices, buying invoices, transferring ETH, preventing duplicate or invalid purchases. It does not store PDFs, store personal data, handle authentication. Thank you for watching.